Welcome to my lesson, and the lesson today is all about difference between off and off in English grammar. Off and off are two small words in English that can be confused because they look similar but have different meaning and uses. Here is a simple guide to help you understand when to use each one. When to use off. Possessions or belonging. Example, the color of the car is red. She is a friend of mine, part of a whole. Example, a piece of cake, the first day of the month. Material or content. Example, a bottle of water, a cup of tea. Cause or origin. Example, he died of old age. She comes of a noble family. When to use of. Separation or removal. Example, take your shoes off. The cat jumped off the table. Distance from something. Example, the store is just off the main road. She lives a few miles off the coast, not connected or functioning. Example, the lights are off. Turn off the TV. Discount or reduction. Example, 20% off all items. Get $5 off your next purchase. Tips to remember. Use of when talking about something belonging to or related to something else. Example, a map of the world. Use of use of when talking about something being away from or removed from something else. Example, she fell off the bike. Now practice example. The cover of the book is blue. Please turn off the lights. He is a member of the club. The plane took off on time. By keeping these simple rules in mind, you can easily understand when to use off and off in your sentence. Practice with example and soon it will become easy. Thank you. Thank you very much.